That's the masculine lead. You can look up ahead. Oh, if I get with a partner, feminine, has no kids, no parenting experience, doesn't understand this, it's gonna be some hills going west. We might get stuck in a couple valleys. We might break a wagon wheel or something, be spinning our tires in the mud a couple seasons. Conversations that are coming up just like this. That's gonna continue. That will be a recurring thing. This is a factor that's not gonna change until she has some kids. Until kids grow up and get out your life, that's something she's gonna have to engage with in your life. Because the second you pick up that phone, the second you create something out of what you want, what's possible, what you enjoy, you also got to take responsibility that that's what you're walking with every step. You picked up that bag. Every time we get in this ring, what my village looks like. Or her over in that tent, she's in too, her kids too. Every time you go down to that bitch tent, you coming around me like this. You putting me to the side like every time. That's your responsibility to contain or get her to understand this is that fence. You're the shepherd, and this is what it looks like. When you've fully gone there, managed her feminine, contained that conversation, if she's still fighting against it, if she's bucking so hard that she wants you to change, she's refusing to get into your bubble, your reality, that's when it's, all right, you with it or not? If you haven't contained what you created, you brought her into this pasture, she's got anxiety. You gotta be responsible to leave that if you're gonna continue. That pasture, you got a rabid goat out there, a rabid sheep, trying to figure out what the fuck is going on, waiting on somebody, that bucking bronco, waiting on you to get on that bull, grab it.